Thanks for clicking on the video. In today's trade, as you can see that the market created an equal top just a little bit over VWAP. VWAP is where the arrow is pointing to. That's the VWAP line. And you can see that the two equal highs, yeah, probably trapped a lot of longs. Got a little spike there and it started to pull down. Now, I didn't get into my trade as quickly as I would like. And so I had to wait until the next opportunity. And that next opportunity came right here where the market had a little uptick, right? Little green bar. And that's where I jumped in. Now, I'm looking for the market to go down a little bit. I'm looking for my 50 cents. But I had to adjust my stop order just a little bit because I wasn't too comfortable where it was. And sometimes you have to do that, right? You have to manage your trade. And so this is me managing my trade. So as the market starts to pull back, I'm constantly looking at where might it go? Yeah, I'd like to get my 50 cents, but if there's the opportunity for it to move further than the 50 cents, yep, I take it. And so I'm just constantly watching at this point, and you can see that we're continuously looking to make a lower low candle wise, right? And let's see if we get that lower low. And there you go. That's a lower low candle wise. And so I'm constantly looking where can the market go? And if you look to the left, you see this real big red candle where the arrow is pointing. I think that the market can get down to here. If not, make an equal low right around the 606. I'm thinking that the market wants to really go down to somewhere around the 605, if not lower. And so, I'm just judging based upon the movement of the candles, whether I want to adjust my sell order. Yeah, I like to get a little bit more, especially if it's going to continue to go down. And that's you managing the trade. So I'm watching this. We're making lower lows. There's another lower low candle wise. And so I adjust my sell order, right? Moved it down to the 607. We like those even numbers. A lot of people like those even numbers. And so I'm probably going to leave it at here and not go all the way down to 606 looking for a equal low because, that one bar, that one big red bar to the left, yeah, that's not the bottom or the low. And so I want to keep my my sell order just a little bit further from the 607. You saw me adjust it a little bit more. Yeah, take a little bit more trades. I didn't take the usual 10 contracts. I took 5 contracts today, right? Going a little bit less risk. Um, and so let's see if I can get that. If I can get that, that'll be a good trade. And it's pushing down. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's five straight red candles. Here's come number 6. Can it tag it on number 6? Come on. Can it tag it on number 6? There you go. Bing. It hit me, right? My order is triggered. And I just want to see if this thing is going to get all the way down to the 606 and make equal lows. Might be a good spot to buy in. All right, the market might reverse right around there. You never know until it gets there. So let's just watch this for a second. I did make my money, and we'll take a look at the option chart, so you can see where I bought and sold. So option chart is totally different than the QQQ chart. Option charts just show the movement with the options. All right, I'm going to see. See, I don't think it's going to make an equal low on this part of the leg. And you keep watching it. There's that one green candle. You can see that they got wicks. Someone's buying right here. All right. So let's look at there you go. I bought 5 puts at the 275, and then I sold those 5 puts at dun, 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 where is it at? 388. 388. So 275 to 388. That gave me a total of how much money? Do the math. $565. Okay, that was almost as good as a 10 contract and just getting my 50 cents, right? Okay, on to the next trade.